Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the file or folder does not exist, unable to move or rename in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first thing is that you need to understand that maybe there is no resolution because the file or folder has actually been deleted. So even when a file or folder is deleted, it may be open in a program or it may be open in a browser. I mean, you may be uploading it to a browser or something. So in that case, if it has been moved from the original source, then you will not be able to use it. But usually here's what happens. When you try to delete a file or folder or move a file or folder that is what do we say, still in progress on a certain software, then it will not move or it will not be deleted. However, let's say that you saved a what do we say, file on Adobe Premiere Pro, and that file had its link to that folder or that file, and then you deleted the folder file after closing Adobe Premiere Pro, and then you reopened it and tried to access it, then you will definitely get this message. So you'll have to move it back to the original folder if that is what will solve your problem. Else you will have to accept that the situation cannot be solved. The next solution is to reboot the system. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. This will also fix the problem. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.